Hi, good morning everyone. Today I have this Kia Niro 1.6 2018. Basically, right, if you the cover here, yes, it's like that. Yeah, this is the key, okay, and you need to okay, open the blade. Yeah, open the blade. You know, so if you go around here, yes, turn around like that. Yeah, when you push the cover like that, it will open, and then the battery is in there. Okay. Now I'm going to show you, yes, like this is the cover we need to open. Yeah, if you go and push it like that, you see, you push it like that, it opens, isn't it? And then just use the flathead screwdriver. You see the spring is on this side, we push the battery out from this side. Okay, see, yeah, you see, like that. That's it. You know, here's the battery. You see the CR2032 battery. So replace the new one. Yeah, go in like that first. Yeah, go in like that. Yes, and then you just press down. Okay, press it down and then line the cover up. You line the cover up, yeah, like that. Yeah, line up, and then you just press it down. It's done. Very simple, isn't it? This is Kia Niro 1.6 2018. Yeah, okay, thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe if you can. Yeah, thank you so much.